can turn that thing around pretty good, can't he? He's going after that back end. Remember, that back end is what pretty much disabled most of the other combines up to this point.
I already got like 3 videos of it. How long does this go for?
What?
Oh, this goes forever. Mine goes 15 seconds.
Mine takes 22 minutes.
Wow! A little ring around the road.
Should I get my head in the way?
Just a little bit. Supposed to be a hand.
We should have somebody here calling this square dance. Yeah. Oh, the court base is now going after the back end.
Don't slip off your tires.
Dixie deer has a turbo.
Uh-oh. Oh!
You getting all this?
Yeah. Zoom in some here.
Should I just stop and let you take all the video? Huh?
Found the guy in the red suit.
I got enough video of it.
Well, that sounded good, I'll tell you. Well, I'll tell you what, two just about perfectly matched combines out there.
Oh, both the all go off the black line.
Really? Oh, they're trying to raise them
Yeah.
ahead.
Uh-oh. The corn major's header. Uh-oh, that is not good. Corn major stuck up on the rail. It's just
Oh,
about one time
go for
over the
it.
rail. Trying to get it off the rail. There's your winner. There we go.
Why the hell would they call?